Hi, I'm Jeff, welcome to the Shed Quarters, and in this February Daily video I'm talking about the camera equipment that I use. Now, this is what I had been using for almost every video I've made. It's a Canon EOS M. It's about a 2012 or 2013 model or something around there, whenever they first came out. It's the first generation. Now, it's got interchangeable lenses, it's got a full-size sensor inside. It's the same sensor in this as in the Canon 5D, which is top of the range body, and it's an amazing little camera. I basically point and shoot and it all comes out brilliant. It's got a Rode mic on top, Rode shotgun mic, and yeah, audio's always been great, except for once I had a bit of a problem with the plug and it just wasn't really connecting, so there's like 2 clips in the last 6 years worth of filming that have been without audio. Now, I think the problem that I'm having with this is the battery, so I've got to order up a couple of new Canon batteries. I don't want to use off-brand ones, aftermarket ones. I'm just going to get genuine batteries from a Canon dealer just to make sure it's all good. Now, hopefully that will get this beastie back up and running, because what I have been using for the last little while is these Osmo Action 1s. I've got 2 of them and they do great for second or third angles. I've got an adapter to put a Rode mic into it, but the mounting system's not great, so yeah, audio's not always the best. Now, I'm also having a bit of trouble trying to get the settings exactly how I want, so unfortunately every single file that I've been recording with these has to be color corrected, brightness adjusted, and yeah, brightness and contrast adjusted, and yeah, it's just not fun trying to edit that. So hopefully this old beastie gets going again, and then these things can be back to using a second and third angles on things. So yeah, lots of fun. Now, other not so fun things. Little Shed Corgi has done a mischief to her eyeball. So puffed up last night, very leaky. She poked herself in the eye with some grass or something, we don't know, but yeah, that's another $200 to the doctor. A few other things I need to do around the place, like meditate the lawn and fix the back gate, because the hinge kind of rusted up and got stuck. So yeah, so that's going to be another video sometime soon. So yeah, this is just a short one talking about cameras, and yeah, hopefully I get back to using this thing so I get good footage every time. And well, yeah, as always, customize everything.